IELTS means International English Language Testing System. There are 4 modules and they are listening, reading, writing and speaking. I choose China because of one of the thing is my father is businessman and he works at China, and the second thing is I love the innovation, how they are creating robots and other things. I'm passionate on technology, so I believe I can learn a lot of things in technologies in China. We are 5 members in our family, my father, my mother and a brother, a sister and me. So my father is a businessman, my mother is a housewife and my sister is currently reading in class 5 and my brother is 2 years old. I think English speaking skill is definitely very important for a person. If you need to study in abroad or if you want to do a job in abroad, you must need to show your speaking skill.